I'm Shikha Handa and I am a counselor at the Christchurch Girls Senior Secondary School, Jabalpur. So these days, I'm getting a lot of phone calls from young people in their mid-teens, in their late teens, and even in their early 20s, calling me and telling me that they're very stressed out. And why are they stressed out? They're stressed out because they're not able to go to schools, they're not able to go to colleges, they're not able to meet their friends, they're stuck, they're locked up inside their homes with their family members, and there's nothing much to do for them there. So, what do? How do they cope with all the anxiety of staying at home? Yes? So, I thought that this time, let me speak to some other youngsters and ask them how are they coping with this challenging situation.
Hi guys, I'm Joanna and I'm a student from class 12. The main reason for stress and anxiety is that we aren't able to shift our focus away from our problems. For me, music is the best cure. Like, at times all I need is 2 pens to create some beats like this. Music affects our mood to a huge extent, and bringing about changes in our playlist can affect our stress level too. Like, on a rainy day, instead of listening to songs that make you feel sad, let's listen to songs which make us want to dance. And when you create a sad playlist, make it such a way that first it starts with sad music and then catches those beats to make you feel happy. Believe me, bringing these small changes in your playlist can bring down your stress level and make you feel really happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Mishra and I am a student of class 12. So the one way that I use to get rid of all my stress and anxiety is to escape to a far and quiet place. Now, you would be wondering, how is that even possible in these trying circumstances? Well, we can't really travel physically, but can't we do that mentally? Yes, it is through this fascinating process called guided imagery that we use our imagination to create a happy atmosphere which our body interprets as real. It is very simple. To begin with, relax and get comfortable. Close your eyes and choose a scene, anything that pleases you, and imagine it vividly. Immerse yourself into the sensory details. It should feel as if you are actually present there. You can even add some music to make your experience even more vivacious. And this will surely release all your stress and anxiety. It really works. So do try out.
My name is Sunny and I am a student of class 12, and my ways of dealing with stress are pretty usual. I pamper myself. I call a friend to catch on or make myself a soothing cup of tea or coffee. You might do this every morning, but do you really enjoy it? Well, set out to enjoy it this time. I take a warm bath. I wear a fancy outfit on a regular day. It just makes me feel happy and confident knowing that today I look good. You can watch your favorite shows. You can plug in your earphones and just forget the whole world for a little while. Or you can also have an at-home date night. You can cook a special dinner for yourself and eat by the candlelight. And if nothing, you can just take a nap anytime. It works for me and I hope it works for you too. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Anushka Singh, a student of class 12. You know what? Colors have the great part to influence our mood. Some colors give us joy, some give us peace, and some give us even sadness and pain too. And this I realized when I tried it myself. For instance, sometimes I feel very low, daisy, or not so super excited. So I go with my favorite colors. As you can see, I'm in a white and it is one of my favorite colors to wear. And believe me guys, it really works. So in this pandemic, when people are finding ways to deal with stress, anxiety and so, one way is to go with your colors. You can wear your favorite colors and even you can apply nail paints of your favorite colors. So whenever you're working and get a glance, it will generate a positive spark in you. So what are you waiting for? Go open your wardrobe and get yourself with your favorite colors. And it really works. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ashi. I'm a student of class 12 and I hope you all are staying safe and fine at your home. Today, I will be sharing a few tips which I do and you can also do to avoid stress, anxiety and to stay happy during this time. The first thing is Playing games on computer or on mobile phones. Games खेलना किसको पसंद नहीं है? हम वो गेम खेल सकते हैं जिसमें हमें मजा भी बहुत आए और जिसमें हमारी जीतने के भी चांसेस बहुत हो. The second thing is creating music or listening to music. Music सुनना सबको पसंद है. So चलाओ अपना playlist and get on your moves. The third thing is wearing formal clothes. Yes, just like me. Wear it at home and take a good picture with it. Lastly, the key to stay happy is to have hopes. So, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि एक दिन ये सब जल्दी से खत्म हो जाएगा और हम फिर से खुश और जी भर के जिएंगे. Thank you.
Oh, that's amazing. Some youngsters really know how to cope with the situation. They're dealing with it so effectively. I would still like to share that what do I do when I'm stressed? Well, when I am stressed, I call up my friends. I talk to them. And sometimes I just don't call up. I do a video call and I do a group video call. And in that video call, I put on some music and I start dancing. So we all dance, though we are far away from each other, but yet the group video call keeps us all connected. Sometimes we dance, sometimes we do Zumba, sometimes we do yoga also. Yes, and talking itself is therapeutic for me. So these are little things which I do how to deal with the situation.
Hi, my name is Purvi Mishra and I'm from class 12 and I'm a psychology student. Ever since lockdown began, I feel burdened with a lot of responsibilities, especially studies. And it took me a lot of unproductive days for me to realize the crucial time that I had wasted until this one day. One day, I sat down and I started to write everything that I wished to achieve in a day, like every goal. And I started on writing. I felt as if the day wasn't quite enough. I started with a few goals and then I increased accordingly, and I also made sure that I could complete all of those in that particular day only, and somehow if I was not able to do so, I also made sure that those were the very first thing that I do the next morning, so that nothing is left behind and I do have a track of the things that I did do in a day. And by the end of the day, it made me feel really very accomplished. It made me feel confident. Moreover, it made me feel happy. And it made me feel as if my life is easier, and I hope that it makes a difference in yours too. Thank you.
हर इंसान के मन का रास्ता उसके पेट से होकर जाता है. Hi, this is Sanmay. Throughout this lockdown, 3 things have remained a constant: spreading of the virus, news channel debates, and food posts on Instagram. Yes, I was completely annoyed and shocked why everyone is trying to become a master chef, until I became one. And to be really honest, cooking for yourself and for your loved ones is the best stress relieving activity that I can suggest. Also, eating foods like dark chocolate, citrus fruits and munching nuts is a scientifically proven stress reliever. So whenever you feel low, take a saucepan, turn on the burners, put some music and smile.
Awesome suggestions, amazing suggestions. All of you girls really rock. Some of you girls are using some real emotion-oriented coping. Yeah, listening to music that makes you feel calm, playing games that make you feel all excited. It's amazing. Yeah. So let me give you some professional suggestions. But before that, when you talk about playing games, let me tell you, don't play too many games because that can be addictive. Playing games once in a while for a short duration of time is awesome. Okay, so when we talk about dealing with stress at this time, remember that as youngsters we need to prioritize ourselves. What are the things that we really need to focus on? Yes, so first of all, prioritize your activities. Look at your time and make a plan accordingly. Yes, secondly, what I need to say is eat a well-balanced diet. Eating the right kind of food releases all the stress hormones from your body and you feel good. And same is to do with the exercise. Exercising regularly, even 3 to 4 times a week for half an hour can help you feel much better. And fourthly, most importantly, everybody is talking about social distancing. But what they actually are meaning is not social distancing but physical distancing. So stay away from other people but stay socially connected. Man is a social being. We need to connect with each other. So let's be connected, let's feel positive, let's feel good and let's cope with this crisis situation. Thank you.